guys, welcome back to Perky Tomato, and what is this? Hey guys, welcome back to Perky Tomato, and today I am going to be giving you guys the results for week 4 of my PTGT Asian photo contest. This week's theme was Childhood Memories Week, so I'm really excited to be showing you guys these photos. Now, I got so many amazing entries, and honestly, I did not feel like filming today because I am extremely tired because yesterday was very exciting and also very exhausting, but I am dedicated, my dude, so we're gonna get through this together. Also, I forgot to mention, because I have no brains, that the model Amber Lily is not going to be here this week. Like, she hasn't sent in a photo, and if she does end up sending a photo late, she will only get 2 points. We're also missing the model Bella this week. And also, we have a guest judge this week. We have MacyJLovesAG guest judging, so yeah. Huge thanks to Macy for guest judging. That was super nice. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so our first photo today is from the model Serena, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Serena, I love this photo. I love how the idea is her teaching her dolls about the book. I think that's super cute. I love how simplistic this is, but it's really awesome. The colors look so good together, and it's very crisp. The outfit is absolutely adorable, and the only thing I'd say about this photo is that there's just a little blemish by her hand, but that's honestly all I have to say. And let's go on to see what Macy has to say.
Hi guys, so I'm Macy from MacyJLovesAG, and I'm super excited to be guest judging for this week's PTGT Childhood Themed Week. Photos from Serena, and she did like reading to her dolls. I thought this was super cute. It definitely has a childhood aspect to it. You can tell that's a childhood thing that she had done. I love her outfit, and I love how you put the slight blur in the background so it wasn't heavily blurred, just so it was taking away from the photo. But I think you did a very good job with it. I love how she's looking down at the dolls and how she's just reading the book to them. And the lighting is amazing. I love everything about this photo. I don't find anything negative about it, so great job.
Alright, Serena, now after finding the average between my score and Macy's score, your final overall score this week is going to be a 10 out of 10. The second photo this week is from the model Brianna, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Brianna, I love this photo. I love how your memory is playing with your dolls. I think that's super cute. I love how the colors are nice and crisp. The photo is super bright, and it's great coloring. The saturation is amazing. It's such a cute angle, and I also really love how memorable this photo is. I love how you edited the bokeh on, and I love how there's blue on the doll's outfit, and then there's blue on Brianna's outfit. I think that looks super cute. Honestly, I have no complaints this week, so let's see what Macy has to say.
Okay, first we have Brianna, and she did for her childhood memory was just playing with dolls. I love this photo a lot. I love the lighting and how bright it is. It definitely shows the childhood aspect because of her holding her doll. It just brings back childhood memories, especially for me too. And I really like it. The only thing is her eyes are closed. I don't know if you meant to do this for the photo, because I know naturally when you lay American Girl dolls down, their eyes close. But maybe you could have just used some tape somehow and made it so her eyes were open. But other than that, I really liked the photo, so great job.
Okay, Brianna, so after finding the average between mine and Macy's score, your final score is going to be an 8 out of 10. Our third photo this week is from the model Blair, and her photo will pop up right here. Now, Blair, I love this photo. I love how you're playing with toys in this photo. I love how this photo is super cheerful. I love how you added little toys. The set is super adorable. The lighting is absolutely amazing, and the colors are on fleek. Now, the only thing I would have to say about this photo is that it's just a little busy, so maybe just lay it out differently and have some more toys around her, but not yet so busy. So maybe have a more plain background, but it's still a super cute photo.
Next we have Blair, and for her childhood theme she did playing with toys. I love this photo a lot. I think it definitely has a childhood aspect, so you can tell that it was in her childhood. I love the amount of toys you put in it with the Elmo and the My Little Pony, because those are definitely toys that I had in my childhood, so I could relate. And the only thing is her hair is a little frizzy, so it kind of distracts from the photo, along with the background. I love how you blurred it, because it definitely brought a whole new element to this photo. But the background is a little distracting. I couldn't really focus on the toys because the background just had many different colors, so it was a little distracting, but other than that, I loved this photo, so great job.
Alright Blair, so after finding the average between mine and Macy's score, your final score is going to be a 7 out of 10. Our fourth photo today is from the model Valentina, and her photo will pop up right here. Now Valentina, I love this photo. I love the idea of like going on a nature walk as a kid, and I love how you took the time to like go out in the trees and take a picture. I also love how great the lighting is. I love how you added this little walking stick and a little like thing in her hand. I think that adds a cute detail. Now the only things I would have to say about this photo is that maybe take it at a different angle, because it looks like she's kind of like, it's like looking down at her more than being like level with her. Like it kind of feels like this, you know what I mean? Like looking up at you, wait, like this. Like, hey, so maybe have it more level. And also I can see a building in the background, so maybe just turn it a little bit, and also maybe just saturate the colors, but that's honestly all I have to say.
So next we have Valentina, and she did going on a nature walk. I love this photo a lot. I love how you can tell she's obviously on a nature walk, and I love the amount of nature in the photo because you can see the trees in the background and how she's holding the stick. And the glass jar, I don't know what it's full of. I'm sorry, it might be something in nature probably, but I'm being stupid. Anyway, the only thing is the lighting is a little poor. You can see that there's obviously a light shining onto Valentina, but the background is very dark. So that's another thing that I didn't like much about the photo. But other than that, I think this photo is amazing. I love the amount of details you put into it.
Okay, Valentina, so after finding the average between mine and Macy's score, your final score this week is going to be a 6 out of 10, so good job. Our fifth photo today is from the model Cecile, and her photo will pop up right here. Now Cecile, I love this photo. I love how the idea is like when you got your puppy, and I love how you made the doll like petting the dog. I think that's super cute. Now the only thing I would have to say about this photo is that it doesn't really look like you put too much time into this photo, so I really would have liked to see some more extra things, like some more elements, and the lighting is not the best, and it's just a little side lit, but that's honestly all I would have to say. So you still did a good job, but let's just see what Macy has to say.
Next we have Cicely, and for her childhood photo, she did a childhood memory of when she got her puppy. I love how it reflects off of a memory of getting your first puppy, and it just brings a lot of light to the photo. The only thing is the photo is a little bland. The background I would have wished could have been a little more, just more creative. Maybe something outside. Maybe she was sitting on the lawn with the grass with the dog in her lap. Would have been really cute. And I think that also would have helped with the lighting of the photo, because the photo is really nice, but the lighting is a little dark, so maybe the outdoors would have helped just brighten up the photo a little bit more. But other than that, I loved it. I loved how it was a memory.
Okay, Cecile, so after finding the average between mine and Macy's score, your final score this week is going to be a 5 out of 10. Our sixth photo this week is from the model Rebecca, and her photo will pop up right here. Now Rebecca, I love this photo. I love how the lighting is not yellow, and I think the outfit is super cute. I also love how you got both of the horses in the background. I also love like how you got all like the trees and the grass in the photo. I think that looks super cute, like nature. And the only thing I would have to say about this photo is that it doesn't look like the doll is in her doll world, and it just looks like a doll on like a fence. So I would have maybe like used like a toy horse if you had one, and maybe like a smaller fence or something. And also the sky is white, so maybe just take it like a different angle or something, maybe a different time of day. And also it's kind of angled, so I really wish you would have just not taken it angled, because it just try not to angle your photos, but it's still a super cute photo. Let's just see what Macy has to say.
Next we have Rebecca, and for her childhood themed photo, she did her with her horses. I thought this was really cool. I love how you actually did your real horses and not like the doll horse, because I've always wanted to ride a horse, so I thought it was really cool how they were in the photo. The only thing is the till is a little distracting in the photo, so maybe if you would have just took the shot like more straight, it would have made the photo better. And also it's kind of backlit, just how she's facing by the sun, so the lighting is kind of distracting her from the photo, and it's making it a little blurry. But other than that, I thought this photo was super cute. I love how it reflects on just how you loved riding your horses and being with your horses, so great job.
Okay, Rebecca, so after finding the average average between mine and Macy's score for you, your final score is going to be a 4 out of 10. Okay, so our 7th photo today is from the model Caroline, and her photo will pop up right here now. Before you guys say anything, this photo is from AGNDM, and this is actually her photo because she did take it. She participated in AGNDM with me, and so this is definitely her photo. She did not steal it from anyone. I'm completely aware of that, but she just didn't have time to take a photo this week, so she just sent in this one. But here it is. So her memory is like the first time she went to New York, and lighting is super good. I love the colors, and I love how they made the different buildings. The outfit is super cute. She looks like a total tourist, and the only thing I would say about this photo is that it's just a little blurry, so maybe just not make it blurry. It's just a little blurry, and maybe not have the Statue of Liberty right behind her head because it looks kind of weird. You never want something right behind the model's head, so maybe just have it like to the right of her, but still a super cute photo.
Next we have Caroline, and I just want to say I love this photo so much. So she did New York from when she went in her childhood. I love how she's the main focus in the photo. You can tell because obviously there's 2 other dolls, but you can just tell Caroline is the main focus because the lighting is more bright around her and she's looking at the camera. I love how you put so much effort into the setting. The buildings are amazing. I can tell you put a lot of effort and detail into it. And the sky is a little edited, but you can tell you did a very good job editing into there, so it's not that bad. I didn't even notice until I put more detail into it, so I think you did a really good job. That's all I have to say, so good job.
Alright Caroline, so after finding the average between mine and Macy's score for you, your final score is going to be an 8 out of 10.
Alright, so that was all the photos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I wasn't being too harsh, but I just want you guys to know that you all did amazing. So now I'm turning it back over to Perky Tomato for next week's theme. Thanks for having me, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
Alright guys, so those are all the photos. Sadly, we only had 7 photos because someone did drop out to make it 9, and we're also missing 2 people. So we only have 7 photos, but that's still awesome because all of you guys had so many amazing photos. So now we are going to move on to this week's theme and deadline. Okay, so this week's theme is going to be prepare yourselves, take a breath, History Week. So this means I want you to pick like a history, like a thing in history that you can represent, like for instance, like the Civil War or something. So just like trying to recreate a historic time, I guess, and you could also just do like a make-believe historic thing, like Stone Age or like Victorian time. But yeah, you can do any time period. It could be like an actual historic event, or it can just be a time period. And the deadline is going to be this upcoming Saturday, July 4th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time means lunchtime. It's not the nighttime, it's the lunchtime, but yes. Alright guys, so I am so excited to see what you guys bring. I'm so excited for this theme because I love history. Hopefully one of you guys do the Victorian. If you don't do Victorian, that's fine, but it would be really cool if you did. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And I know I'm not very energetic this episode, but I'm sorry because I'm just tired. I'm probably gonna go take a nap now. Okay, yeah, bye. This is Frederick the Bear. Okay, bye.
Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.